Okay, g'day again. This is the part 3. Okay, the first thing I want to show you, see the marking pen lines around these two bolts. I marked them before I undid them. That's a track that you have to remove, and it's an adjuster for the tracking on the window. So it's important that you get them back in the exact right position. I've also greased the 3 tracks. There's 2 on the bottom of the window and this one here, the adjustable one that you remove. Okay, now in here we'll get some better light. It's getting a little bit dark. Okay, here we have the winder. I'll just check the winding operation. Yep, that all works good. Okay, now there's a little tiny clip just here, which goes in a little slot there. Now this here is a piece of coating wire. I put a bend in it and then I cut it off, so there's only about 2 millimeters of the bend on there, which makes a hook. And you get that in behind it, you grab that little clip that I just showed you and you pull it out. Okay, this door handle, there's a hole there. You remove the plastic plug with a little screwdriver, you find a screw in there, and then you just push it back and unhook it. Now, in behind there again, there is this white piece of plastic. There is another screw in there also. Okay, now in here we have, this is the door lock. Now that hole there has this little red plug in it. You pop that out with a little screwdriver and then you can just pull that off. And behind that on the cover is another screw. So you have to undo that also. Okay. Now, there's also this wire. This wire is a little bit hard to get off, whilst this is to your mirror switch. So if you just pop the whole mirror switch back out through the lining, you can then get the wire off much easier. Okay, now there's 3 screws in the bottom. There's 1 in the front, 2 in the back. This little pocket here, this is rather important. Now, in the lining, there's a hook. That hook has to go into that little pocket. If you don't do that, when you pull on the handle, it will flex the door lining and eventually break it. So it's rather important that you get that back in. Also, the lining clips in behind this piece of metal on the door frame. So yeah, it's a whole lot easier if you've got the window down. There's also a piece of plastic here which just clips off. You have to get that off so that you can lift the lining up to get it off. Okay, well, I think I've covered everything now. I hope this is helpful to somebody. Bye.